Hi, in this video we'll be talking on creating the broadcast emails in Infusionsoft and also using the new email builder and also about saving drafts. So let's go step by step. Imagine that we've been creating a regular broadcast email in Infusionsoft and we want to marketing email and broadcasts and click classic email broadcast. So we are talking about right now about the old one, not about the new system. Okay, so let's click classic email broadcast. And there are two options here. If you've been working on some email before and you didn't finish that and abandon that, you will be presented an option to continue editing that. So that's the only draft that Infusionsoft actually saves. Let me explain you a little bit more. If we click yes, continue, and click next here, so that's the email that you've been editing before you closed your window and clicked that save draft button, thinking or hoping that somewhere in Infusionsoft that email will be saved and you can go there in a later point, in a day or in a week, and be able to edit that. No, you will not be able to do that if you send another email after that. Let me show you again. You go into email and broadcast, send a broadcast, then click classic email broadcast. So there is only two options: to continue the previous unfinished email or start the new one. What is the workaround in that old system? I would suggest if you want to create a template, create a broadcast that you want to edit later and save at later point, I would really suggest to create a template first. So add a template, email, and create something that you will be easily recognized. I don't know, well, let's do something like AAA, and here the subject the same, just for testing purpose. And let's click save. Okay, we saved email template. Now we want to create email and broadcast at a later point, so we click and send a broadcast and click here. And let's imagine they want to start from scratch. We're choosing the recipients here the regular way, and then whenever we edit in the broadcast, instead of choosing drag and drop email builder, we're choosing a template from the ones that we saved before. You see right here, we created it before in a previous step, so we can click use this and use this as a quote-unquote saved draft. Okay, that's option now number one. Now the option number two, and not so far from now introduced by Infusionsoft. So let me go back to send a broadcast and start everything from scratch. Now we forget about this left column about the send email broadcast. Now we're using the new email builder, and there is something completely different. Let me click that, and okay, as you see, we have gallery, previously sent, drafts, pay attention to drafts, my templates. And what I want to do here is go to actions and actually create a new email. Create blank email here. Or choose one of the templates that you see here. Doesn't matter. So what I'm gonna do is to provide the subject line like YY1 and do something here, and choosing from blocks, I want to create something in here, creating something here. And then whenever I save and exit, or schedule or send, that depends on what you want to do. So save and exit. And now this exact email will be available under drafts. So when you go to drafts, you can see that there is an email available in your drafts. You can also, to create a new email, you can choose any of these templates creating. So for example, this one, use a template, and also save it as a draft on a later point to be able to edit that. Okay, So right here you can type something right there and insert the different blocks and images and also multimedia. That's not the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, hope it helps and hope it makes sense for you. Thank you. Bye.